Welcome to the worst travel guide in history. Today, we're touring every planet in our solar system. But forget hotels, beaches, and cocktails. It's just you, your tiny spaceship, and a list of destinations that make hell look like a spa retreat. So buckle up. This trip might not end with you still alive. Venus, hell in a pressure cooker. Picture Earth, but crank every single setting to nightmare mode. Venus is Earth's twin in size and gravity, just 40 million kilometers away. Sounds cozy, right? Wrong. Those beautiful yellow clouds? Yeah, they're made of sulfuric acid. One deep breath, and your lungs are gone. Even with the best spacesuit money can buy, things get bad. Fast. Visibility? Gone. Air so dense you feel like you're swimming through molten metal. Temperature? A mild 450 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt lead. And then there's the pressure. 92 times Earth's. Your suit, crushed like a soda can. If that doesn't kill you, the acid that leaks in will. Venus isn't a vacation spot. It's a murder planet. In a pretty dress. Mercury, the toaster-freezer combo, closest to the sun. You'd think Mercury is always boiling, and yes, in the daytime it's 430 degrees. But at night, minus 180 degrees. It's basically a microwave that turns into a deep freezer every 88 Earth days. Why the swings? No atmosphere. The heat just vanishes. You roast in daylight. You freeze at night. And since one Mercury day lasts half a year, if you land on the sunny side, you'll spend 6 months as roasted human jerky. The only hope? The Terminator zone, that thin line between day and night, where temperatures are slightly less deadly. But even there, you can go from steak to popsicle in minutes. Jupiter, the endless fall. Jupiter is the boss of the solar system. Huge, terrifying, impossible to land on. Even 300,000 kilometers away, the radiation begins to cook you alive. No special suit, you're gone in seconds. And the gravity, 2.4 times Earth's, it drags you in at terrifying speed. First stop, ammonia ice clouds at minus 150 degrees centigrade with winds at 300 miles per hour. Then you keep falling and falling through strange gas. Then a supercritical fluid. Then metallic hydrogen, a dense liquid metal that traps anything that enters. At the core, 24,000 degrees Celsius, 4.5 times hotter than the sun's surface. It's not a landing, it's an endless, high-speed pressure cooker. Saturn, the golden trap. Saturn, the postcard planet. From far away, it's gorgeous. Up close, it's a minefield. Those famous rings, ice shards and rocks moving fast enough to shred your ship. Get past them and you'll see glowing red and purple auroras. Beautiful. But the winds, 1,800 kilometers per hour. They don't blow you away, they throw you. Try entering through the North Pole, you'll face a storm so big, it could swallow 2 Earths whole. Go deeper, gases turn to liquid, pressure rises to ocean trench levels. At the core, 11,700 degrees Celsius and 1,000 times Earth's pressure. A golden beauty with a deadly bite. Uranus, the sideways ice giant. Uranus spins on its side, like it's permanently napping. The trip is long, painfully long. When you arrive, welcome gift, minus 224 degrees Celsius. The coldest planet in the solar system. The air is toxic, but deeper down, a bizarre sight. Diamond rain. Gorgeous, but useless. Because the pressure is 100 times Earth's, you'd be crushed before you pocket a single gem. Neptune, the storm factory. Neptune sits in almost complete darkness. Outer layers, freezing cold. Dive deeper, the temperature skyrockets. The core hits 7,000 degrees Celsius. It also rains diamonds here. But that's not the real killer. The winds go beyond the speed of sound. A storm, hurling you at over 1,000 miles per hour. You wouldn't even have time to say ouch. Mars, the fake friend. Mars is tempting. Daytime, highs, 20 degrees CS. You could almost picnic. But at night, some spots drop to minus 130 degrees Celsius. The air, thin, mostly CO2, no oxygen to breathe, radiation 40 times higher than Earth. And then, the dust storms. They can blanket the entire planet. Winds at 100 kilometers per hour won't knock you down, but they'll chew up your gear until nothing works. The conclusion? No matter where you go, you're doomed. Every planet has its own, unique way of ending you. So before you book that extreme space tourism trip, maybe try a weekend in the countryside. It's cheaper and a lot less fatal. If you enjoyed this deadly little tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic misadventures, and most importantly, stay on Earth.